want to bring their patients to us. And last night, I was meeting with the two of them, and they just raved about their experience of bringing patients here and taking care of them, how efficient our care is, how nurses are taking very good care of our patients. But not only that, we make them feel easy to bring their patients here because we take care of them, the physicians themselves, when they're here. So they love doing business with us, and that's, pretty much the essence of what we can do with our physicians. When they like to bring their patients, we can all be successful. And they often tell all about what the good things that we do, and I wondered at times, do we ever get to tell physicians how grateful we are, really, of the things that they do? So several times a year, Katie, how many times a year?
Twice now.
Twice a year. We really get to kind of, recognize the physician who really does a great job, goes way beyond what they're supposed to do, really embodies the mission that our woman just talked about to our patients and our caregivers as well, because nurses love to work with those physicians who are focused on their patients and be a good team player when they work with the nurses. So today we're recognizing one of them, and I'm not going to steal the thunder. And is it Kevin or you? Oh, right. Please.
Brian and I.
Kevin better watch out.
Oh, I
So, just a little background for the Rises Award. This has been going on since 2003, and Jeff is the 33rd recipient of the Rises Award. He is the third hospitalist to receive the Rises Award, and he received more nominations than probably any other physician in the last few years this past term. So we're very proud of Jeff. He lives the mission of not only Sound, our company, but also Shady. So he got nominated all across the board, from case management, IT, RNs, fellow hospitalists, consultants. He touched everyone in this hospital. It's great. So some of the things that were said was, he provides mutual respect for his peers. His integrity in the details in which he cares for his patients. They're very proud to work with Jeff. He's extremely responsive to patients and staff. There were many, many other comments on all of this, but when you're interviewing someone and they're going to be great, and when I interviewed Jeff, I knew that he would be great. Everyone is great in our team, but Jeff has really raised everyone in our team to a different level. So I'm very proud to present the Rises Award for Jeff.
Where's Judy?
Oh, one more picture, sorry, we're going to steal the show. His fiance is a wonderful nurse. She's in the ICU and is a mentor for the new nursing residency program. An embarrassment.
Tell us a little bit about yourself and how did you get to come to Shady Grove?
So I actually grew up around this area, went to Churchill High School, then went through University of Maryland, got my master's at Georgetown, went to med school at Grenada, finished residency in New York City, and then came here to want to come back to where I grew up. My father was a physician in this area, had a big practice, pretty well known, but passed away the intern year of residency. So we had dreams of working together, seeing patients together, but unfortunately it didn't happen that way. So that's why I want to come back here. Luckily, I've been able to see some of these patients in this hospital, so that's pretty awesome.
Hey, carrying on his legacy. That's a wonderful story.
And this is actually my dad's stethoscope.
Thank you so much for what you do, and I know we really benefit from his dedication to this community. So thank you so much.